Hey friends, if you wish to fix RPC server is unavailable error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the status of the RPC service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and then go to services, wait for it to load and then scroll down to the RPC service. Okay, right click on it, select properties. Although you cannot change it, but if there is any such option, then make sure it's at automatic and started. But usually it works. So if you face this problem, try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.